Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is an unboxing video of S10 Lite. Let's open it. Da-da-da-da. This is how it looks. Here is the phone. So excited to use it. So this is how it looks. I have basically ordered a Prism blue colored phone. These are some of the key features: 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM. We have another variant 256 one, and we have 4500 mega amp battery. So that is very impressive when it comes to Samsung phones, where they lag with respect to the battery. So this is how it looks. These are the three camera setups. One is 48MP, one is 12MP, and one is 5MP micro lens. So this is the best part. Boom. So this is how it looks from the back. Prism blue color. I love. Let me know how you felt about the color in the comments down below. So the screen is of 6.7 inch and it's Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 1080 2400 pixel Full HD plus display you get. This is how it looks. So this is the fast response of the phone. So it's very quick, very fast, and it will not stuck anywhere. So let's see the Android, inbuilt Android. It's Android 10 for Samsung S10 Lite. So as I mentioned, we have a very good battery life of 4500 mAh, which is a very good for when it comes to Samsung device. This is the camera. So I have some of the photos available for the camera as well, so you can just compare with respect to your skill of photography. So these are some of the options available here of micro photography, foot photography, live video, live photo, and many more. Hyper smooth, slow motion, and etc. So we have an AR feature also, and many more features available in Samsung phone, as you guys already know. So just you need to play with it and see how it works to have a very good idea from your end. I've seen in this Samsung phone is that we have to go to the settings tab to change the aspect ratio and the resolution of the camera, as well as the video camera and the photos. So these are the resolutions available: 4K, 60 FPS, and so on. Here you can see the fingerprint response. It is pretty fast, but sometimes it will be very slow to capture the fingerprint, so you have to get used to it, or you can use the face recognition feature, which is very quick. So some of the other things available are the back cover, which is of plastic material, but anyway it is helpful to keep the mobile safe. So these are some of the papers, like warranty and other stuff. So it fits very well. It's nice. So you can have the phone very secured. So the best part is it has a fast charger. So after I tested, it was like we can charge the phone in 1 hour. So these are the earphones which come with the box, and it has a C tap, so we cannot use the older version of earphones. So if you have a Bluetooth headphones, that will be a good option, because whenever you are charging the phone, you will not be able to use the headphones. So that is one disadvantage I felt, because we have a lot of space in the bottom of the phone, where they could have utilized it for that purpose. This is 4K cinematic shot on both cameras. 4K cinematic. This is how it looks. I'm walking right now. I'm running. So guys, one more recommendation is this back cover, which is a very nice back cover, which I have used around 3 weeks, and it is very safe to use. And this is as a back pin also. It is some fiber material, so it has 2 layers actually, so it fits the phone pretty well and it covers the complete screen. So anyway, you have to use a tempered glass for more protection, but this case does all the job very well. So let's see the clarity on the phone. This is a video I shot on GoPro 8, so you guys can check it out in my profile. So also tested it for a gaming purpose, and it performs very well in HD mode. So it's very good response and the clarity is very nice. So you can try it out.